Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I taught you guys how to convert a mono audio track into a stereo audio track. So today I'm going to be doing the reverse of what I did on my last video, which is converting a stereo audio track into a mono audio track. So like stereo audio track carries the audio on both sides, which is left and right, while mono carries it on one side. So without wasting too much time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, as you can see, this is my Audacity page and I've already imported my audio, which is stereo. If you check very well, it's right here. So this is a stereo audio track. Now to convert it to mono, it's just a simple step. So just select the entire track and then go up to tracks, then come down to mix, and then after that you see mix stereo down to mono. Just simple way to change it. Click on it, and yeah, that's all guys. As you can see, it has been converted into a mono track. So that's just a simple way to convert your audio from stereo down to mono. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave it down on the comment section below and I'll make sure I answer all your questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.